Hello, children. Good morning. Welcome the new day with a smile on your face, love in your heart, and good thoughts in your mind. And have a wonderful day. Just to inform you, we have completed with our EVS portion for the first term. Portion for the first term exam are as follows. Lesson number 2, more about plants. Lesson number 6, movement of animals. Lesson number 7, food for animals. Lesson number 9, air. And lesson number 10, water. So children, start preparing for your exam. Study sincerely at home. Don't waste time. It is a revision time. So, in today's session, we will first revise our previous session lesson. Do you all remember our previous session lesson's name? Yes, it was water. Let us remember few important points from that lesson. Point number 1. All living things need water. We need water for drinking and for cooking food. We need water for bathing and for washing clothes. We also need water for putting out a fire. Same way, animals also need water for drinking and for bathing. And some animals like fish, they live only in water. And plants, they too need water. And we have to water the plants every day. If we do not water them, what happens? They dry up and they die. And also very important, water is very precious. So we should not waste water. So now, second, we will be revising lesson number 2, more about plants. In this lesson, we studied about different parts of a plant. Name the different parts of a plant. Roots, then stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. And children, where do roots grow? Roots grow below the ground. And the stem, where stem grows? Stem grows above the ground. And stem bears leaves, flowers and fruits. And we see leaves are of different shapes and sizes. And we also see colorful flowers. And we like to eat fresh and juicy fruits. We see fruits with many seeds. For example, papaya, then watermelon, sweet lime, pomegranate, and etc. We also see fruits with one seed. Example, lychee, mango, etc. So, do you all remember how a seed grows into a plant? A seed has three friends. And who help a seed to grow? They are air, water, and sun. A seed needs air, water, and sun to grow. What is necessary for the growth of a plant? Air, water, and sunshine are necessary for the growth of a plant. Let us recall few important points from the lesson. Lesson number 2, more about plants. First point, root, stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits are the different parts of a plant. And the roots grow below the ground. And where do stem grow? The stem grows above the ground. Flowers are of different colors and shapes. Some flowers, they grow into fruits. And most plants, you see, they grow from seeds. And most plants grow from seeds. And a seed needs air, water, and sunshine for the growth of a plant. Girls, now we will be revising words and question answers of this lesson. Say each word 3 times along with the teacher. First, we will revise words. First word, roots. Come on, together. R-O-O-T-S, roots. Again, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Again, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Second, S-T-E-M, stem. Again, S-T-E-M, stem. Again, S-T-E-M, stem. Third one, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Together, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Again, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Fourth one, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Again, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Again, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Fifth one, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Together, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Again, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Sixth one, A-I-R, air. Again, A-I-R, air. Again, A-I-R, air. Seventh, W-A-T-E-R, water. Again, W-A-T-E-R, water. Again, W-A-T-E-R, water. Eighth one, S-U-N-S-H-I-N-E, sunshine. Again repeat, sunshine, sunshine. Again, sunshine, sunshine. Ninth word, growth, growth. Repeat, growth, growth. Again, growth, growth. Last one, shapes, shapes. Together, shapes, shapes. Again, shapes, shapes. Now we finished with words. Let us revise. Answer the following. Teacher will say one time question and you will say 2 times the answer along with the teacher. Question number 1. What is necessary for the growth of plants? Together, air, water and sunshine is necessary for the growth of plants. Again, air, water and sunshine is necessary for the growth of plants. Question number 2. Name the different parts of a plant. Repeat, roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Again, roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Question number 3. Where do the roots grow? Repeat, the roots grow below the ground. Again, the roots grow below the ground. Question 4. How are the flowers? Repeat, flowers are of different shapes and sizes. Flowers are of different shapes and sizes. For your homework, you are going to learn question and answer of lesson number 2, more about plants, and also practice writing question and answer. Write 1 time question and 2 times answers in your rough book. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.